economics at a top-tier hedge fund can be incredibly lucrative. As much as half the carry, the investment profit, goes to the manager and his team. It adds up to millions, sometimes tens of millions of dollars in a given year. Can you compete with that?
Well, I don't think that it's the right thing to take half of the profits for the manager. I think that the client is the one taking all the risk, and the client should get the majority of the rewards for taking the risk with that capital. At the end of the day, while you might have some money invested in your fund, the clients, if you lose money, the clients lose that amount of money and the managers lose the opportunity to get fees. That means the client should get the vast majority of the profits from it. What we offer people is a culture where they can work with colleagues in a collaborative, engaging environment, where they can feel like they belong, where they know they're doing something that's not about making a billionaire a bit more billionaire. We look after each other. We look after our clients. We look after the people. We do the right thing on diversity. We do the right thing. We are very strong in not accepting bad behavior and throwing people out of the firm if they don't behave up to the standards we have.
Luke, one more question for you on compensation. You're well paid on a relative basis. Let's say an absolute basis. $3 million at least in 2020, and you're donating your cash bonus to charity. I commend you for that. But the best paid hedge fund boss last year, Chase Coleman, made 1,000 times more than you, $3 billion. And the top 15 earners in the hedge fund business collectively made $23 billion. Is that right?
That is a deep and profound question. Look, one of the things that always, whenever you get to this time of the year, and we're a public company, so my compensation is 100% transparent, and I get two sets of phone calls, both of which say the same thing. I can't believe what you get paid. From my wife's friends, I can't believe what you get paid means how much. And from my hedge fund friends, I can't believe what you get paid means how little.
Well, let's take the flip side of that. Should anybody be able to make $3 billion a year doing anything?
So I think that you've got a couple of bits to that. One is, do I think that tax rates should be higher above certain levels of income? Yes, absolutely. Do I think that the rewards for successful entrepreneurs can be and should be very large? Yes, I do, absolutely. Right. And, the answer of most of the successful hedge fund managers you talk about that are in that top 20 of compensation, they are all entrepreneurs who've built businesses, and well done them. And then I think it's really incumbent on people to do good things with their money. Piling a bigger and bigger pile of money in your bank is a really pointless exercise.
25% of your senior management ranks are women, and you're committed to raising that number to 30% in 4 years. What's the biggest obstacle, Luke, to gender diversity in your company and in your industry?
The biggest obstacle is what people did 10 and 20 years ago. So, when I got to Man, I would say there was a large amount of misogyny in parts of the management team and even in the HR department. And so, no surprise that they weren't building the cadre of future leaders. And, so we had to change all of those cultural aspects first, and then start building on the people we've got and encouraging, promoting. But you have to get all the behaviors right. It's not just about, can we go and find some people and chuck them in a seat, right? I think one of the worst things people do is they take their stars and they over promote them. There's somebody or other's law that's about, you get promoted to your level of incompetence. Well, that's bad management to do that. What we do is to try to encourage them and show them opportunity and try to get absolutely the best out of everybody that works for us and make sure there are no barriers in the way to letting people succeed.